So guys, if you want to participate in a particular quick survey or a quick business and get paid, this website, which is called Respondent.io, is going to make you good amount of money if you are someone who like participating or completing a service online and get paid. So when you want to join this program, they are not asking you for any money. So a lot of time people are asking me, do I need to pay to join this program? I'm trying to log in, I'm trying to register, it's not working. So this website is 100% free and is almost available in all countries. So it's almost available in all country. So they are not available in all country, but almost all country are allowed to use this website, which is called Respondent.io, and you can do a lot of service on this program and make money. When I started this program, the first amount I made was $5, and the money arrived in my account straight. Immediately I completed the service within 2 days. Within 24 hours, 48 hours, I received a message. They notified me that I have received a money from Respondent.io. So, and they wire the money into my paper account. So when you want to join this program, make sure that you have a paper account. So once you have a paper account, you are good to go to start making money with this website, which is called Respondent.io. So to start with this program, what you just need to do is to click on the area where it said log in. So once you click on login, or if you want to start with this program, you click on get started. It's going to bring you to this same page here. You can select either you want to start as a researcher or you want to start as a participant. So if I click on the area where it said get started now, it's going to bring us to this page. And now it's telling me to create my own account if I want to create accounts. What type of account do you want to create? And what we need to do here now is to choose the type of account we want to create. And all I need to do here now is to choose the account. Let us say you want to give people service to complete for you and you pay them, which you are doing as a researcher. But if you want to participate, you will be the one making money from the researcher. So once I click on participant, it's going to open this page that you can see here. And once it opens this page here, you are going to find a page like this. What you need to do, enter your first name, last name, and you enter your email address, agree to their terms and conditions. You will click on create account and your account will be created automatically. They are going to send you an email. So on this, your email, you are going to click on the verification link and your account will be verified, and you are going to follow the procedure to enter your experience and your hobbies and the things you like doing. They are going to use all these other things to see what you can do so that they can offer you the type of service that you can participate on so that you will make money while you are using this program. So once you are done completing all these simple instructions that I just give you, then you are in the right place. The one thing that you need to do when you are creating your account, you need to make sure that you have a work email, which I don't know how people can get that for free. A lot of people have been asking me, how can I get my work email? Your work email, you can get it from a hosting provider, which means you need to have a website to have this your work email. I have tried my best to look for a way that I can make sure that I have access to a free website that can give a work email so that I can introduce this website to my viewers, but I have not yet found any website that can offer a free hosting service. So if I find any website, I will still make video about that and come to you guys and show you how you can create your work email for 100% free and use it to join this program, which is called Respondent.io, and start using it to make money online. Because I see that a lot of people have signed up, but because they don't have a work email, they are not able to get a job or they are not able to get a program to complete and make money from it. And to verify your phone number is simple too. I don't know why a lot of people are finding it difficult, because when you want to verify your phone number, you need to select your country code first. A lot of time people are using their own number directly. They will just, where they said enter your phone number to verify your account or to verify this your profile, people are just entering the phone number directly Before you enter your phone number, you will see an area where they enter kind of a country code and a country logo. You just need to select that area, select your country code before you enter your phone number. If you set this correctly, you are supposed to receive your verification code. It's when you don't enter it correctly that you will not receive your verification code. So make sure you enter your country code before you enter your phone number. Then you are going to click on verify. They are going to send you a code, enter the code, and your account will be verified. Those are two things that people are finding difficult to do, and I'm doing my best to explain it now to you. I hope you get the simple understanding. Like what I said, before you enter your phone number, select your country code. And the other thing concerning verifying your work email, I don't know how you can get your work email for free, but I know how you can get it from a hosting provider. I can redirect you to any hosting provider. You can join them and make any 1 month payment and have access to your work email. But that is not because you have a work email is a guarantee for you to have a job on Respondent.io. So that is one thing that you need to know. Make sure you don't go and purchase any hosting provider because you want to work with Respondent.io. If you want to do it, don't just do it because you will make money. Do it because you know that your profile is qualified. You know what you are saying. You can read, you can write. That is one thing that I want you to have in your head. You can go and create your account with any hosting provider to have a work email, but if you don't know how to read and write, it's going to be a problem for you to complete or participate any task on Respondent.io. So let me log in my own account and show you around. I know a lot of you already know this, but let me show you around Respondent.io. So let me go and log into my own account now. So to log in, I will click on login here and I will click on participant. It's going to open up this and I'm going to click on I am not a robot and I will click on login. So once I click on login, it's going to open my own profile like this, and you are going to be seeing all these old things that you can see on the screen here. You can see that I have received a payment from this program. You can see payment confirmed at the top here, just to show you proof that I have been making money with this program. Now, I'm not just talking like a random person. So they are telling me now to re-verify my work email, which is what I'm going to do later. So if you want to do that, you just to click on it, you enter your work email and you verify it. And here, what you can see at the bottom here will be fully verified. If you want to enter a short video of introducing yourself, you can do that too by just clicking here. If you want, it's not compulsory for the video, because when I completed my task, I didn't add any video and I made my first payment, and now I am still making money with this program. So that is one thing that you can see here. And another thing that you can still see here is the task that they have here. You can filter it. You can filter the task here with the range of amount of money you feel like you can make, and they are going to show you the eligible task that you can complete. If you click on sort out most, you can click on higher, lower, short term. So you can just search according to the time you want to spend on a particular task. You can see this task is going to pay you $345, $100, and if you scroll down, the price keeps on going: $100, $100, $30, $30, $50, $100, $130, $230, $275, $75, $25, $150, $100, $30. So if I click on more, the task that I can complete is a lot, and I can just click on any one of them and do a screening, and they're going to contact me if they find my screener good and if they find my profile eligible for them, and they are going to contact me by email letting me know that I can complete this task, and I will join them either one-on-one call, or I'm going to do it by screen recording and send them the video, and they're going to pay me my money if they like, or they verify, or they approve that task. If I click on this area on how another way that you can use to make money too, if I click on referral here, it's going to open up the referral program. You can see that I have referred a lot of people and I have not really made any money from them. Why have I not made money from them? A lot of people that sign up with my link, they did not really sign up to do this task, because a lot of them were not able to verify their work email, so they are not able to get a job, and some did not even try to participate on the task so that they can make money. Some we are not able to verify their account, and that is one of the thing too. That is why I have not been able to make money from these people here. But me personally, I have made money with this program. So for anyone that you refer, you are going to make $20 for anyone that you refer. So I am not just making money, but my referrer is making money too. $25 for me, $25 for my referrer, that is almost about $75 plus. And that is one thing that I want to let you know. So when I come to dashboard here, that is where you are going to find all the information about the people that you want to work with. And if I click on message here, I don't want to click on message because I have been working with a lot of people. I don't want to expose it, but let me just click on it to show you that I have been receiving some messages. These are two people that I have a conversation with directly, and we have talked and we just discussed about some businesses that they want me to complete for them. So this is to show you some proof that I am not just talking to random people. You are not watching somebody who is just talking randomly, but somebody that have done this job, and you can do it too. So all you just need to do, go and use the link in the description to join this program and start using it, and make sure make sure that you have a work email and a phone number to use to be able to make sure that you have a phone number and you have a work email so that you'll be able to do this task. If not, I don't know how to help you. So that is everything. If you have any question, you have any confusion in mind, you have anything you need to let me know, just leave me that comment in the comment section and I will reply you as soon I see your comment. I will say thank you very much, guys. And if you want to make money with affiliate program, you can watch this video that is going to pop up right now. I will see you on my next upcoming video. See you soon.